Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup for your little one. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients, like vibrant carrots, sweet peas, and creamy sweet potatoes, ensuring they are all organic. Remember to wash and peel everything meticulously. You'll also need a small saucepan, a reliable blender, and a fine mesh sieve to achieve the perfect consistency for your baby's meal. Next, let's prepare our vegetables for cooking. Cut your chosen veggies into small, uniform pieces. This helps them cook evenly and quickly. Place them into a small pot, adding just enough filtered water to barely cover them. Bring the water to a gentle simmer and cook for about 15 minutes, or until all the vegetables are incredibly tender and easily mashed with a fork. Now it's time to achieve that silky smooth texture perfect for your baby. Carefully transfer the cooked vegetables, along with a small amount of their cooking liquid, into your blender. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and there are absolutely no lumps remaining. For an extra fine consistency, push the pureed soup through a fine mesh sieve, ensuring it's perfectly smooth for easy digestion. Finally, the last crucial step is ensuring the soup is safe and ready for your little one. Always allow the vegetable soup to cool down completely before offering it. Before serving, test a small amount on your wrist to confirm it's lukewarm, not hot. You can serve a small portion immediately, or store any leftovers in small, airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, or freeze for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.